Hello students, we will be solving question number 30 from the exercise number 17. Okay, so this is the given figure in the question and there are two questions based on this. So first they want us to find sine phi and tan theta. Okay, so sine phi is this angle, this is phi and this is theta. So for finding sine of this angle phi, we would need the height as well as the hypotenuse. So I can see that I have base but I do not have height, but I have hypotenuse, right? So in this right angled triangle I can find DC, that is the height. So in right triangle BCD I can write BD square is equal to BC square plus DC square, right? This is by Pythagoras theorem. And I have the value of BD which is 13. I have value of BC which is 12 plus DC square. So DC is square root of 13 square minus 12 square. Take 12 square on the other side and then take square root. So this is 169 minus 144, which is 25. So your DC is 5. Okay, I got DC as 5. From this now I can find the value of sine phi. Therefore, sine phi is equal to height upon the hypotenuse. Your height is 5 and your hypotenuse is 13. So we get sine phi as 5 upon 13. Okay. So now tan of theta. To find the tan of this theta, I do not have a proper triangle here. So what I'll do is I will draw a perpendicular from point D to the side AB. Okay. I'm drawing a perpendicular here from point D to side AB. Okay, so once I draw this perpendicular, what do we observe? That there is a quadrilateral and this quadrilateral is a rectangle. So if this is a rectangle, so opposite sides are parallel and equal, right? So therefore DC is equal to, suppose we name this 14 is the entire length, we name this as suppose E. So this DE is parallel to BC and DE is also equal to BC. Therefore this DE has the value 12 and DC and EB will be same and therefore this will be 5. Now since this EB is 5, this EA is supposed to be 14 minus 5. This entire length is 14 and so if out of that EB is 5, therefore what is AE? AE is 14 minus 5, which is 9. Correct? So now I need tan theta. So here we have to write, draw DE perpendicular to AB. If you draw DE perpendicular, therefore BCDE, that is quadrilateral BCDE is a rectangle. If this is a rectangle, what happens? You have therefore DE is equal to 12 and EB is equal to 5. Also AE is equal to AB minus EB. Your AB is 14 minus 5, so your AE is 9. Okay. Now since we have written all these values and found it out, so what we will do now, we will find the value of tan theta. So let us rub the first part. Hope that you have copied this. So tan theta would be height upon base. So depending on this triangle, in triangle AED, if I take tan of the theta, it is height, which is ED, upon base, which is AE. So ED is 12, AE is 9. So I can simplify that to 4 by 3, right? So I get tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. That completes our first part, where we need to find sine phi and tan theta. The other part is we need to find AD in terms of theta. So AD in terms of theta, AD is here. In terms of theta means we need to have value of AD in some form where you have theta in it. So how do we get this AD? Suppose if I take the sine of this theta, so what you will get? Sine theta is equal to height upon hypotenuse, that is ED upon AD, right? Where I have the value of ED, so this becomes 12 upon 80. For this is sine theta is equal to 12 by 80. Take AD on the other side and sine theta on the other side. Therefore, you get AD is equal to 12 upon sine theta. Okay. So this is the value of AD in terms of theta. This can be one value. The other value can be if suppose I take cos theta. So what would be cos theta? Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So your base is AE upon hypotenuse is AD. So value of AE is 9. 9 by AD is equal to cos theta. Rearranging the terms, you get, therefore AD is equal to 9 by cos theta. This can be the other value of AD in terms of theta. So AD can have value either 12 by sine theta or it can have 9 by cos theta. Okay.